best interests or not. What you need to do is to position yourself in such a way that you can safeguard yourself against these ills. So, what I would encourage people, if you're going to use Uber, Lyft, and all those kind of services, try to use a credit card. Not one of those credit cards that is tied directly to your debit card, but a credit card that is somewhat independent of your debit card. Because if there are fraudulent charges that take place, you can always call the banks, and the banks will have those charges frozen and then reimbursed. If it's your debit card, then that is your money, so that there takes a longer time. If it's a credit card, it's faster, and your account is not really frozen in totality, because once an investigation is going on, they will freeze the account for security reasons, all right? Because they don't want the money to be spent or squandered or whatever to take place. But for those who are using Uber and Lyft, you have to be vigilant, you have to be digital,